Hey guys, I want to verify I've got the antenna coil hooked up correctly, and it appears that I do. You can see I've got the dummy antenna that was specified to act more like a short or long wire antenna. You can see I've got my scope hooked up to the grid cap going over to the 6A8 tube, or would be. Probe set for 10x, not to load the circuit, and you can see as I resonate the tuning condenser with my signal input from my signal generator, and you can see as I vary my signal generator, that's off camera, you can see the tuning condenser with minimum capacitance is resonating around 1650 kilohertz. If I go full mesh, which will be the lower part of the band, around 530, let me switch the signal generator. Change the attenuation here just a bit. And again, based on the loading itself, around 521 is where I'm tuning to the bottom part of the band. Now let's look at these pre-selector switches. I had someone ask how they work, and again, all it is a capacitor in parallel with the antenna coil inductance of 195 microhenries. So if I go out of the manual position, we'll just start from the far left. Most people tune these or had them preset to the lower part of the band to the higher part of the band. Let's engage the first push button. This is the way I found the receiver, and off camera I'm going to change my frequency on the signal generator. So you can see it's peaking there around 586 kilohertz. So probably around 580 to 590 kc was the preset for an off-air station at that point. We'll go to push button number 2. And you can see around 670 or so, so maybe 660 to 670 for that station, the way it was set. Push button number 3. You can see it maybe 740 to 750 kc or kilohertz. And the 4th preset. Let me change my signal generator here so I can get this signal peaked. You can see somewhere around 1100, probably 1090 to 1100 kilohertz or kilocycles. And then the last preset, you can see it looks like it peaked around 1260 to 1270 kilocycles or kilohertz. So hope that's helpful. Again, the capacitance in parallel with the inductance of the antenna coil resonates at those preset frequencies based on the capacitor trimmer adjustments underneath the receiver. Thanks for watching.